We have a Temu unboxing. Let's unbox. I like it, but it's a bit lighter than I thought it would be. It's okay. This one is for this thing I saw on TikTok. I've forgotten what this thing is called. It's used to attach like a snap button, and it came with all of the buttons, the snap button actually. So this is a useful tool. I like it. The next thing is this. What is this? Oh, okay. This is like a bra, a strapless bra. One thing with all these items is the fact that they are very light. They are so light. It stretches. It's okay, but it's just the fact that it's light that is a bit concerning. And I also got these 3-in-1 tops. There's the brown. I got this in size large. There's this one, and there's the black. I think the black, this one and this one, they stretch more than the brown. Let me wear one and show you. Let me wear one. Now this is how the black looks, right? Next thing I want to unbox is this. Honestly, let me open it first. Oh, okay. This is a black top. When I saw this in the picture, it's like a structured top, right? Yeah, I'll try and leave the pictures of these things on the screen. Okay, this is how it looks. Should I try it on? Should I try it on? Should I try it on? Okay, let me try it on. This is how this one looks, just like the picture. The only thing is the fact that it's really light. I think this is made of, this is polyester. This is polyester. It's a little bit, I like the design of the top. I like the style, the design, but the material is not giving at all. The material is very light and it's just very, the material is not nice, but the style, the design is nice. That's what I think about this one. I like breathable materials. Breathable materials. Okay, this unboxing. I don't know. I also got this pair of shoes. I hope it's my size. The shoe is nice. It's breathable and it's very. I got a size 40. Normally I wear a size 39, but because I've been shopping on Temu for a while, because I know that their sizes are usually smaller, so I ordered a size 40 instead of a size 39. So yeah, this one I like. The next item I want to unbox is this black This is one I've been looking forward to, and I hope this black, see the heel, very small heel. Would I call this a sandals or what? But yeah, it fits as well. But in this one I got a size 39, because you know how this type of shoes be normally, they usually slide, so I got a 39 instead of a 40. So yeah, um this one fits perfectly. It's true to size. It says 39 and it's my size actually. The next item I have here to unbox is this fashion tie. It's very small, but it's fine. I like it. The next one is this. The next one is this two pin that I can use to hold my clothes at the back if I want to snatch the waist of like an oversized clothes. I also have it in black, this and this. So yes, the last but not the least is this pin. The last but not the least is this pin. So guys, that's all for this unboxing. Overall, they are nice. I like them, and yeah, some of the clothes or some of the items I bought are a bit lighter than I thought it would be, but overall, I'll give all of these items that I unboxed a 8/10. That's all for today's unboxing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.